Hey you guys, this video I'm going to show you how to make cucumber water. It's a very refreshing drink and you don't have to go buy Gatorade if you know how to make this stuff. It's very healthy for you and cleansing, detoxifying, all that kind of stuff. If you're interested in seeing this, then hang around for this video.
I needed some non-copyrighted music, but I couldn't find any, so I had to make my own, and I have no idea what I'm doing.
Okay, so I'm going to be making 1 quart of cucumber water. To start off, we're going to first peel the skin off of the cucumbers, and for this recipe I ended up going back and adding another cucumber. So in total for this half-gallon amount I used 2.5 cucumbers. After peeling the cucumbers, I went ahead and split them in half and sliced them down the middle and removed the seeds with a spoon. And you don't have to do this, but I tend to find that you get more when we blend it. If you don't remove the seeds, then it gives more foam and it gets harder to strain. So I choose to remove the seeds, and just using a spoon makes it really quick work. The next thing that I'm going to add is a lemon, and my lemon is small, so but you can add as much as you want. I probably would have added more, but this lemon was pretty juicy, so up to you. So I also, on the side, I sliced up the second half of the cucumber, and I did this because at this time I thought that it was going to be enough to just use the 1.5 for the half quart. But I ended up getting a third cucumber and just putting the whole entire cucumber in there. So like I said before, it came out to 2.5 cucumbers to make a half-gallon of the cucumber juice. But these slices taste really good, so I squeezed a little bit of lemon on them and I put some of the Tajín chili powder, and it tastes really good. It tastes like a really good and a very healthy snack to go along with the the cucumber water. And this is still the same lemon that I am squeezing. I just needed a little bit to put on top of the cucumber slices because I didn't think that I was going to be needing that. So that goes into the blender, and I like salt, so I love adding salt to my lemonades or cucumber waters, any kind waters. So this ends up not being very sweet, and it kind of turns out to be like a Gatorade, like a non-sweet, better than Gatorade. And I am adding half of the water from my jar into the pitcher of my blender, and I'm adding about half a cup of honey. And this is a raw honey. You can use any kind, or you can use sugar. I would start out with half a cup because you don't want it to be too sweet. A quarter cup to half a cup. I think I used more like a quarter cup because this water is not super sweet. But you can add more sugar for sure if you like things sweeter. Typically things are a cup to a gallon. So half a cup to half a gallon equals out. So I just like to usually I cut it by half, and a little bit more. I use a little bit more than half, just barely a little bit more than half. So the next step that we have to do is we're going to strain this out into our container, and this is pretty much done. This is a really great healthy snack for like a hot day after a hike or after work or something like that. So I really hope that you guys like this little refreshing drink and little snack. If you do, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and comments down below, and please hit the bell to never miss another video, and thank you so much for watching. Oh yeah, so real quick, this is how I'm going to show you how I like to serve it. So I just put some lemon on the rim. I dip some Tajín also onto the rim. Then I serve it over ice, and it tastes really good. So I hope that you guys give it a try. I will put a link in the description below for the Tajín, just in case if you cannot find it, or if you just want to order it online. Tastes really good. I hope you guys give it a try, and again, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching.
I needed some non-copyrighted music, but I couldn't find any, so I had to make my own, and I have no idea what I'm doing.